The sun is up. The sun is up. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. That is the bus stop. That is the bus stop. The room is hot. The room is hot. Please close the door. Please close the door. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. The car is very fast. The car is very fast. Turn up the TV. Turn up the TV. Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? Where's the museum? Where's the museum? Where is the station? Where is the station? The sky is clear. The sky is clear. Did you finish the job? Did you finish the job? Open the bottle. Open the bottle. Let's start the party. Let's start the party. Clean up the room. Clean up the room. I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. Keep the change. Keep the change. I am near the station. I am near the station. That's the way. That's the way. Who stole the apple? Who stole the apple? Beware of the dog. Beware of the dog. How do I open the hood? How do I open the hood? We lost the game. We lost the game. He can play the guitar. He can play the guitar. What is on the desk? What is on the desk? He is the tallest boy. He is the tallest boy. What is the problem? What is the problem? I didn't get the joke. I didn't get the joke. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. She quit the company. She quit the company. Come into the room. Come into the room. I rejected the offer. I rejected the offer. What's the matter? What's the matter? I paid him the money. I paid him the money. Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas. Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? What is the story? What is the story? How deep is the lake? How deep is the lake? The pain has gone. The pain has gone. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. He is afraid of the sea. He is afraid of the sea. Call the police. Call the police. Please shut the door. Please shut the door. I will pay the bill. I will pay the bill. I am living in the city. I am living in the city. Was the movie good? Was the movie good? The house is burning. The house is burning. The train just left. The train just left. Call me at the office. Call me at the office. I will show you the way. I will show you the way.
Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with new topic. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English easily, because regularly we come with new learning videos. If you can share the video with your friends, and of course comment on how do you like our videos, or you can let us know by commenting if you need anything help. Stay well and stay with us to learn English.